Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can add a slider in Spectra Page Builder. So let me go in the dashboard, and after that in the pages, here you can see I have a page name is test2. So just I can add it, and after that here you can see page is open. So first of all I can drag a container here. Then here I want to add one column row. And after that you can again click here on the plus icon, search for slider, and then drag the slider here. So guys, here you can see this is the slider by default setting. Now here you can enable or disable autoplay option, as well as you can change the slider speed. For example, if I change 500, then slider will move fast. And after that you can customize the slider images. So now first of all I want to show you the slider setting. Let me scroll down, and here you can see pause on hover. So when someone mouse over on it, then it will be pause. After that interaction, then none. So these are the three options. After that you can increase and decrease the height for this slider. So I want to keep it 300. Then here you can change effect for your slider. Then you can add transition speed as well as navigation. Then go to style tab. Here you can see alignment. So this is basically vertical alignment, top, center and bottom. Then for the background you can add something in the background, and you can also add a border around the slider. For example, here I have added solid border. Then scroll down, you can add box shadow as well as you can add spacing. Then for the arrows and dots, here you can change arrows color as well as arrows background color. So alright, these are the few options to customize the slider tab. So now if you want to change the slider content, you can select any slide. For example, this one. You can directly change the content from here, my slide 1. So whatever text you want to add, you can easily do that. Same thing you can do for the description. You can also add a link in the description, and you can bold anything and change into Italian format. So after that, here you can see on the right side you can add icon as well as image. So if you enable that, then here you can select anything. Here you can see by default icon. You can change icon to anything. For example, I want to add this one. Then if you add image, let me select, and here you can see on the top there is image. So I want to remove this one. Then here you can add alternative text for the image that is important for the SEO perspectives. Then scroll down, open the content tab. Here you can see alignment options. After that you can add some prefix. So that is for the top of content. And then you can select title tag. If you select H1, then here you can see heading size is large. Then scroll down, you can also add a separator. So that looks great. And after that you can add call to action button, but I think there is no need. So you can also change the design for the call to action button color. So after that, scroll down, and here you can display the icon as well as you can link this button. Then go to style tab, and after that here you can see you can change title color as well as you can also use other typography options. You can also apply some animations, but that is available in the pro version. In this way, you can easily add slider in the Spectra page builder.